Did you know many people are having trouble with switching the temperature on their multi-cooker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select mode. Press the menu button to select the slow cook mode until it lights up. Step 2. Adjust temp. Adjust the cooking settings by pressing temp, then use plus or dash to choose low or high. Step 3. Start cooking. Press the power button to start the cooking process and watch the display for confirmation. Step 4. Stop cooking. To stop cooking at any time, press and hold the power button until you hear a beep. Step 5. Warm mode. After cooking, the unit switches to warm mode for 2 hours before turning off. With these steps, you should now be able to easily switch temperatures on your multi-cooker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other beautiful users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.